Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Ariana Diaz, and before I begin, I want you guys to bear with me. I know we've had amazing presentations, but I'm the last one because you know how they say it. Always save the best for the last, right? Okay. Before I begin presenting my final project, Attendo, I want to go ahead and talk about a little bit about me. I came here around 7 years ago from Colombia. I'm trilingual, and as Todd mentioned, I'm a high school student right now. Tomorrow, I actually begin my senior year, so.
Wow.
That's work.
I came here because I always liked playing video games and being surrounded by technology. I also grew up surrounded by software engineers, and I never really got into it. I was denying myself to jump into it. I thought I wasn't going to be able to learn it, but here I am at Boca Code. And also, I noticed part-time jobs and customer service. It's not the way in life. It's not the way.
No, it's not.
Yeah. So I came here. Going back to me being in high school, I want you guys to go and rewind, go back to where you were in high school, and think about what you like the most. Of course, motivation, right? High schoolers are not motivated to do anything, do homework, and especially attend school events. So I went ahead and I created a website where I gamified a way to encourage students to participate into the school events. So the way it works is that every time you attend an event, you get a point, and I'll go ahead and show you a quick demo.
Wow.
I have a admin view and a student view, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in as admin view. Okay. So now this is our admin view where we have the chance to create an event or a user. I'm going to go ahead and create a user. I'm going to say Boca Code graduation, which is Friday at 4, I think. Yep, 4. Okay, 4 or 9. It's not a sport event, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click. I'm going to describe it.
It's a sport event. Sport or not?
They don't know yet. Don't spoil it.
Ooh, spoiler. I'm gonna go ahead and add the event. You'll get a message. It was successfully added, and the way this event list is displayed, it's by the closest date. So you'll get to see Boca Code graduation is the closest event to happen. So you can go ahead and see the time and the date. If the admin did something wrong, they can go ahead and just delete it. And if there's too many events created, they can go ahead and filter it by type of event, sport or non-sport. Now I'm going to jump to the user creation. So I'm going to go ahead and create Aaron. I'm going to say he's 15.
Just looks
He does.
His head is 15.
Now, he hasn't, let's say he's attended most of the events, so I'm going to go ahead and add 25 points for Aaron.
Put him in a 9th grade.
Good job.
9th grade. Go ahead and add it. It was successfully added. Now, oh, yeah, I clicked twice. It's fine. We can always go ahead and delete it.
Nice.
It's fine. And then, well, Aaron showed up today, so we'll add a point.
Nice. Good job.
There you go. You can also remove points.
Oh.
And
What's a Gryffindor?
the way this is displayed, it's by the highest points, and it's the same way it's displayed in the leaderboard, which if I add more points to Daniel, he'll jump in right away to first place. And the admin can also filter it by grade, because there's like 200 students. You don't want to deal with that, so just 9th grade. And then I'm going to go ahead and jump into the student view. So this is the student leaderboard, where you can see the top 10 students.
Come on, Aaron, go, Aaron.
He's second place. Too bad.
He's first in my heart.
He's a ninth grader.
Mine too. And you can also see highlighted the top 3 with the little crown, and you can see how many points they have. Now I'm going to go to event view. So this is how every student can go ahead and inform themselves of the upcoming events with date and time. And then if you want to go back to the admin view, just click back, and you're back to sign in. Okay. My tech stack is MERN, which stands for Mongo. Mongo is my database, and then I built my API with Node and Express. And then my front end is built with React, and I'm using Next.js framework, styled by Tailwind, hosted on Google Cloud Platform.
Styled by you.
Oh.
Yeah. In the future, I want to make my website an app, mobile app, so it's easier for students to access it. And that way, if there's an event, there's a QR created, and they'll go to the event, scan the QR code, and the points will be automatically added to the student's account, which will create just a login for students as well. And I also want to add notifications so they don't miss any event. And then if you want to go ahead and take a look at my website, you can see it from your phone because it's mobile responsive.
Nice.
And then you can check my LinkedIn and my GitHub. Thank you.
Yeah.